will answer this one. Solve 5 times the quantity of x minus 2. So, the quantity equals 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 5. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, we have to apply distributive property. So, i-distribute natin yan si 5. Addition na natin na 5 times x. So, that is 5x. Then, si 5, i-distribute natin doon kay negative 2. So, that is negative 10. Then, kopyahan natin yung equal sign. Then, dito naman, distribute natin, that is 8x. Then, multiply natin si 4 at saka 5, magiging plus 20. So, i-combine like terms natin. So, 5x. So, itong positive 8x, transpose natin sa left side. So, we have to change the sign. So, from positive, magiging negative 8x. Then, equals, kopyahan natin yung 20. Saka itong negative 10, transpose natin sa right side, magiging plus 10. Okay? So, simplify. 5x minus 8x, so that is negative 3x equals 30. Then, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 3. So, divide natin siya both sides by negative 3. Cancel natin yan. So, yung x is equal to negative 10. Okay? So, kapag i-check natin ito, so, 5, tapos, dito natin dito. Okay? Yung x natin is negative 10 minus 2 equals 4 times yung 2 times negative 10, then plus 5. Okay? So, 5 times, simplify natin yan, that is negative 12, equals 4 times ito, negative 20, plus 5. So, 5 times negative 12, so that is 1060 or negative 60, equals 4 times, this is negative 15. Negative 15, so negative 60 equals, multiply natin yan, 15, negative 15 times 4, so that is 20. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6, so negative 60. Check. So, therefore, yung sagot natin na x is negative 10 is correct. Sa choices, letter B is the correct answer.